this is not your grandma's grapefruit. This grapefruit is awesome. Hi, I'm Nikki with Out This Door, and I live outside of Phoenix. I had the pleasure recently of harvesting some grapefruit out of a friend's yard. Actually, this is like the 4th year in a row, and I know how many to pick. I've got so many grapefruit. It's near the end of February. I get to have grapefruit juice in the morning. I am kind of a grapefruit fanatic. Here's some grapefruit soda, grapefruit beer. It's amazing. Oh, I absolutely love grapefruit. I've got a lot to do with them. But the saddest part about grapefruit is that in the middle of summer, especially here in Phoenix, there's not any grapefruit to be had. You definitely don't want the ones that are sitting on the tree in the middle of summer. Best time is January, February. So how do I make my grapefruit last into summer? I'm going to show you. Stay tuned. So to make 4 trays of ice cubes, we used 14 halves of grapefruit, so seven grapefruit. Each half makes about 1/3 to 1/2 cup of juice, and so each grapefruit itself makes 3/4 to almost a cup, maybe 7/8 worth of a cup, right? It takes 2 cups worth to fill my ice cube trays. So altogether, 7 grapefruit. Actually, it's pretty good because it should have been like 8 grapefruit or so. So we got some extra juicy ones in there and some big ones. So let's put these in the freezer. And we can come back, and they'll probably be done in about 4 hours, but I've got a lot of other things to do, so I'm going to come back at the end of the day. Even though I used 14, actually it was like 14 and a half grapefruits, I still have a little bit of juice left over, so this morning, bottoms up. Love this stuff. So, and if you're wondering, like, grapefruit, it's really bitter. This is, sweet grapefruits are being developed. There's pink grapefruit, ruby red is really sweet. Try some, you'll be surprised. But I'm stocking some ice cubes away. I'm not going to drink those in winter. I'm going to pull those out when it starts getting about 100 degrees. About May, I start pulling them out. I put the ice cubes in a large cup. Beer pint glass is awesome. Nice little mason jar here. And they'll thaw out. Now when it's 100, especially if it's 122 degrees, I let them thaw only about halfway. I think the hardest part is remembering that it's 2 hours later when I actually want to drink this stuff. So here's the next awesome tip for you. You've been waiting the whole time, right? The best. Hurry in your grapefruit. About a shot, half a shot, whatever floats your boat on there. Look at that beautiful color. It even adds a little bit more tinge to it, and it's just wonderful. This is a great drink for morning, afternoon. Like I said, if you use it with the half thawed ice cubes, it makes a really nice summer treat. Have a great day, and remember to get out this door.